Today I'll be telling you why our rocket is the best rocket ever made. It has increased titanium in its fins that allows us bust through tough terrain, and also it has incredible fuel storage. But it doesn't really matter. If we ever run out of fuel, we'll just collect loads of stardust and turn it into fuel, because it has intense cases of nitrogen, which will help us on our journey.
I'm here with Geffen Hislop. He is a NASA space engineer. So Geffen, how did you come up with the idea to turn stardust into fuel?
Well, John, the idea wasn't all mine. It was my colleague Henry's idea, who is been researching about stardust for about 3 years now, and he had found out that stardust contains all different types of elements, gases, so he thought maybe we could convert stardust into rocket fuel. So me and my colleague Ruben were researching about it and what elements and properties it has, and we found out the exact properties of rocket fuel, so we decided to send that to me and the other engineers, who came up with an idea to suck stardust in and then convert it into rocket fuel, which means we don't need that much rocket fuel to go really far distances.
I'm Henry from NASA, and I'm going to tell you why the Apollo 23 is one of the best rockets. We have made that the wingspan is pretty short, but we've made it thick, and inside of it is thick titanium, which will help steady the rocket, and it will stay on if we bust through any hard terrain. We have also maxed out the fuel thing, so if we ever run out of fuel, we can just turn on our sucker and it'll make the afterburner come on.